Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Data Learners. Today we will look into Meyer, which is very important in calculating the column values, summarizing the column values. Let me show what we are discussing right now. So that's our table. We have that's our visual. In this visual, we have the years and then we have the maximum values sold in each year. Like I would say, like what's the maximum value they have sold in one maximum sale in each year? What was the maximum? So, for example, in 2010 they have this amount, and this amount, and then we have the maximum of overall in all years. So maximum is 3,578.27. But normally in our actual real life, management or our end users also want the summary of the maximum values. What is the aggregate of these values overall? So that we have calculated this. But here I will show you how we calculated and how we created this visual. Let's start. So first of all, we will create a table visual here, and then we will add this is our data model. This is our calendar table. This is our table where we expect the values for the sale. Okay, so let's go back to the editor, and we will first select the calendar year. And when we select the calendar year, we don't want these to be summarized. We will don't summarize these, so we have these years, but we have to see what is the sale, which year we have the sales, and what are the maximum sales during that year. For that, we can use the sales amount, but we want these maximum values. So these are our maximum values. So we can use this our implicit measure, which is we simply drag these sales amount here, and it will automatically give us the maximum values as we selected maximum values here of these, right? But we will use our measure. We have created a dedicated measure for that. Let me show you where our measure is. It's a very simple measure, basic summarization formula. Okay. MaxSold. Okay, so we have the same amount, but here we created measure. This is called explicit measure, where we calculate these by putting some actually creating a measure using a DAX formula. That here we use the max summarize function and utilize this sales amount. Let me create that max sales amount. So we named this formula MaxSold. Let me show you where we have this. See, we have a MaxSold is the name we gave to this measure. But now the next step is we also want to aggregate these total value of these. This is the maximum of all of these years, but we also want to have uh, the total of these maximum values. For that, we need to create another measure. Let me show you this measure. So in this measure, we utilize the SUMX function to which calculate these summarization row by row. We utilize the summarize function, and then we summarize this table merge one. This is our table for the sales amount and the calendar date from the dim date table, and we use the same measure max sold which we use here. So and then we put the bracket and put the formula SUMX. So what the SUMX will do is, in this grouping, it will give us the maximum sold and total of the maximum sold. Let's rewrite this formula again. SUMX is equal to SUMX, SUMMARIZE, summarize our table where we have to get the sales amounts, and then grouping by years, dim date, and then by year, calendar year. Then we put the bracket here, and then we put the comma here, and then we use our max sold. So we use the max sold measure we already created. Max sold. Okay, and then close the bracket. Now we have that. Let's put this measure we have created just now in this table, in this visual. Okay, so we have now the same values, but we have this here. We have the maximum of all these. Here we have the total of the maximum values. So that's it. So I thought that's an important function to cover, and frequently we have to provide the total of the values of maximized values as well as the max values. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe our channel and share this. Thank you very much and have a great day.